Hi, Kuzampula. It's been a long time without doing a garden tour in my place. So it's been almost um, so many months. So I thought of sharing my garden overview today. So please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and comments me down. So let's go. So at the first place, I want to share my green plants. So yeah, it's been a rainy day and they are blooming so well. Eh, they are growing so well nowadays. So I thought of sharing you all. So let's go, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, this is my snow white plant. I brought the cutting from my friends and I met 4 out of 1. So beautiful. And this is my. Do you know what is the name of this plant? So I have just cutted all the mature plants and they are giving me the new green fresh one. See? It's beautiful. See my peace lily. So growing so healthy. See this aglaonema, isn't it? No. Oh my god, I forgot all the name of my plants. Watermelon plants. So friends, last time in my garden, almost 2 or 4 cattle has entered and most of the plants are damaged. That's why I couldn't show my garden overview as there's nothing to show. All is damaged, all is broken. So yeah, now they have turned a little bit better, healthier than the last time. So I thought of sharing you all. See my money plant. Where I get it. I thought of give them a free place. So that's why I kept some plants outside. Wow, this plant has grown so bushy. I'm trying to collect this type of plant which have a beautiful colors on their leaf like I don't know what is the name of this plant but like snow white plant, a snow white plant. See my money plant. Can you see where they have come from? From that point, from that basket. Wow. And this is my broken heart plant, and I made two cuttings out of this. And see, here's another one. Rubber plant. I've gone from the cuttings. I've done many, but only success for the one. Only 1%. 0.01%. So friends, how are you all? How was your gardens going on? So this much only for my green plant. So let me show you my outer plants. Hee hee, so beautiful. See how the doublets is. This but I have all these flowers of different colors. They used to bloom only when the sun hits on them, and they bloom so beautiful. White. This is the pink one. Geranium. I had kept all the hardy plants in this site as the summer is so harsh in my place, so yeah, they can survive. And these are my pumpkin. Finally, I knew I was late to grow this pumpkin. That's why they are not so healthy. But yeah, I'm happy because I could see the greenness in my gardens, and I am preparing the land for the more vegetables. But till now, I've only chilies. I was a bit busy in my work and I couldn't adjust my time to make over my gardens. But yeah, I've almost done the preparations of the land, and this is all the flowers which I kept, as they are the hardest plant, I would say, for me. And these are my geraniums. I was very happy with this geranium because they blooms all the time. Yes, all the time. And they are almost ready to harvest now. You know, whenever I eat the fruit, I never waste a seed. Can you see? This is the result of my work. I used to put all the seeds in the one place, and yeah, they are growing so much. But I experienced that uh, while I do the transplant of this plant, they used to dry because they are so fragile. So that's why I never used to transplant them. I let them grow where they grow when I sow their seeds. See another here. This is another one. And this is another one. So there's some little bit of carrot, little bit of reddish, isn't it? This all are my gardens out here. So this much only for today, and thank you so much for watching till the end, and How are you all? Please don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Bye bye. Love you all.